Okay, now the click listeners are bound to the buttons and the service is bound when I click on start GPS. The service is unbound when I click on stop GPS button. Let's go ahead and run this app on our phone directly. So when the app starts on my phone, it shows nothing. All it has a hidden text GPS data, and on clicking on stop GPS, start GPS, it should bind the activity with the service and get the current lat long. So I'll just refresh it. So the click listeners are bound to the button, and the buttons are bound to the click listeners, and on clicking on start GPS it will bind the service. On clicking on stop GPS, the service will be unbound using unbind service API. Let's go ahead and run this app on our phone. So I have Motorola G. Okay, as you can see, the activity is launched. Unfortunately, I cannot show the screen capture, the video capture of the device directly, but we can show the screens. So you can see that when the app starts, it just shows GPS data, the text box, two buttons, start GPS and stop GPS. When I click on start GPS, it should bind the service and get us the current location. So let's say I recapture and I refresh the screenshot. And now, as you can see from the screen refresh, okay, now you can see from the screen refresh, the current location is retrieved from the service. This is the current location. Obviously, it is the latest location. And finally, when I stop GPS, the service is unbound. Let's click on start location again and see what is the location we are getting again. So I'm using an app called Lokito. Make a note of it, Lokito. It's used to fake the GPS locations. If you are developing the app, you will be like, so note down the app name called Lokito. Lokito is a fake GPS, mock GPS provider that we use during the development of our app. So the current location which you are seeing here changed. Now if I stop GPS and bind the GPS location again, Lokito will give me a new location. So let's refresh the screen again and see if the location has changed. So you can see here the location has changed again. So that's our entire program. Recap on the program. The main use case for our exercise was to create a service that will bind to your activity and pass the GPS location from the service to the activity. So the activity can go ahead and bind and unbind the service anytime it wants. Service runs in the background and it can run forever, but activities can come and go because of the user interaction. Hence we use bind and unbind service. Now in case your use case involves a music player, a GPS service, or any kind of background running tasks, longer background running tasks that will send data to the activity, you should use bind and unbind service mechanism. Thank you.